Hello, my name is Erik Panzar and I'm a solutions engineer here at Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the Rosemount 3408's electronics box and display. In order to do this, you'll need a Torx T20 screwdriver and the spare components. Start by securing that the transmitter isn't powered. In order to replace or upgrade a display, start by removing the lid. After removal, you'll see two clips on either side of the display. Gently push them toward each other and lift out the display unit. To install a new one, line up the pins on the underside of the display with the pins on the transmitter electronics. Then, gently push the two clips together and insert the display. Try to gently lift the display to ensure that it is safely mounted to the device. If not, make sure the pins are oriented correctly and apply some additional pressure. Now you simply need to close the lid and you're done. When replacing the electronics box, start by removing the lid, and if a display is installed, remove that as well. Make sure to disconnect the wires. The electronics box is connected through 3 Torx T20 screws. Loosen all screws and then lift the electronics box straight up. To install a new electronics box, perform the same procedure in the opposite order. Start by inserting the device and take note of the screw locations for alignment. Then, tighten the screws firmly in place. Make sure to reconnect the wires. If applicable, add the display and close the lid. It's that simple. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.